So we've now got all of the engine back from the guys at LONSDALE Engine Works. So we will start this video basically assembling the engine and then all the other stuff that we've got happening at the same time. Hopefully by the end of this video we will have it on a trailer ready to head to Melbourne to Mitch over at MACKIELEC to sort out the wiring and getting it basically prepped ready to run. So yeah, follow along, enjoy, click like, subscribe, all of that stuff, you know what to do. Yeah, and any questions, fire them off. Things are really tight now. I don't know if we're going to make Harry's event. We'll see. We'll give it a go. There's no harm in trying, I guess, is there? Anyway, stay tuned and let's see this engine come together. Perry's just been in here cleaning everything, which means we're getting close to dropping the motor in. Yeah, so everything's looking good. Bit of paint onto the bare metal areas now after we've cleaned up just some of the yucky stuff from its past life. And where, you know, here and this area here, the original engine mount bracketry sort of came up here and sat up here. So they've all been cut out in the past and never finished, so we'll just finish that area off now, which will just make it quite nice. And we aim to have the engine and gearbox and clutch all in here for the final time today. We've had the power steering lines all done, so they've all been remade, all that sort of gear. Power steering cooler's been cleaned and prepped and gone through, make sure that's all good. Yeah, so we're actually on the assembly stage finally. Give it a go. Gotta go to the back of the car a bit. Yep. Cannot see shit. Alright, a little bit more down. I'll stop there. Okay. A bit more. Okay, from the hole. A bit more. Alright. Hey guys, okay, so we have been pretty damn busy on the Corvette in the last couple of days. We've been busy in the workshop, so we haven't had a lot of time to spend on the car, but we've had a couple of days because we are running out of time. The car this weekend has to be in Melbourne for Mitch over at MACKIELEC to, I'll start it again. So the car has to be in Melbourne on Monday for Mitch at MACKIELEC. To get all the wiring sorted out and that stuff done before we can get it back here and then finish it off. So today is Wednesday, it's the end of the day and everyone's gone, so we've got tomorrow and Friday to get it as far forward as we can. So we've got to have everything that needs wiring and sorted out done to the car. So we're now starting to push crap uphill, but that's all right. We'll just a few more hours and we'll get it there. So the engine came back from LONSDALE Engine Works. That was a cracker. You've just seen that go in. Engine has come up beautiful. It looks amazing. Now it's all painted. It looks killer. It really does. So everything's done there. The VCM cam kit looks beautiful. It's going to sound great. I'm really looking forward to kicking into the guts and listening to it. So yeah, again, thanks to the guys at VCM. Stupid, super important what they've done for us. It's yeah, really special. Thank you guys. We've had the headers done by the team out of Adelaide Ceramic Coating. They've done the Cerachrome finish on those and they look bloody fantastic. The guys at RACEWORKS, they've sent us a heap of parts over, so the new fuel rails, injectors, fuel lines and fittings and pumps and all that sort of stuff. So that's all been fitted, so that's all done now. What else is there? God, the guys at MACKIELEC with the high mount alternator and power steering relocation and the aircon that we've actually had to send back because I chose the wrong one. That's now waiting on to come back so we can get that on before it goes to Mitch. So that's pretty well all done. Gearbox, the new clutch from Extreme, local guys here in Adelaide, they've supplied us that, so that's now in and fitted, that's ready to go. The tail shaft has been measured and all set up, ready, and that's now sent. Yep, not here, so that's gone over to the guys at GJ Drivelines. They'll sort that out for us. Yeah, guys, just everything, like, you know, so the sump's on final time. Everything is final time now, which is great. So, yeah, check this out. So, as you can see, the headers, they're mint. We've just left standard rocket cover, standard coils, plug leads. We just don't need anything more because it's not a mental engine. The RACEWORKS fuel rail there looks quite nice. Crossover fittings, it's all good. Everything's new because we just don't want failures, and because this car is so tight, we don't want to be trying to fix it after the fact. So everything has to be done once and done right straight away. The power steering cooler down there has all been done. New power steering lines thanks to Craig at Mad Az. I have to double check for that, but yeah, anyway, thanks Craig. So yeah, that's all good. Obviously that's your high mount alternator there. Yeah, so look, it is all there. Don't know if you saw the new brakes, but all the new brakes are on at the front, and the rear is all done as well. I'll just lift the car up. Oh, actually, you can sort of see in here as well. So with the gearbox, the shifter's all in there. We're going to have to change location, I think, but we'll figure that out as it gets closer. But I'll just lift the car up in the air and I'll show you underneath. So yeah, under here, obviously we painted the block Chevy orange because hey, why not? Obviously the Tuff mounts all in there, and meant they all work a treat. Plenty of room everywhere. Yeah, starter motors in, bottom of the headers, they're all there ready to rock. It's all done. Fuel filter for the line heading up there. We've got the return to go onto there yet. Cats, we're going to be doing catalytic converters, so tomorrow we'll make a piece off of here to the cat and then just to a flange where we will leave it for now, so then we'll finish that when we get back. The bracket that goes to the torque tube, all done, all powder coated, all cleaned up, looks $1 million. Yeah, the clutch lines, clutch master lines are done, bleed lines done, so that's all done remote without using all the crappy factory stuff, which makes it really difficult. Yeah, you know, these brakes are killer, eh? Nice Bayer stuff, beautiful. So yeah, so we've been smashing away at it. It's all been cleaned as well, so just more stuff that we don't have to worry about later. Yeah, exhaust wise, as I just mentioned, we've got some high flow race cats here that we just picked up from Pacemaker this morning. These here are going to be off of the headers to the cats, heap of flanges so they can all be flanged and easily removable if we need to fix them or whatever, however. But again, plenty of RACEWORKS stuff from the guys, thank you. Yeah, so tomorrow we've got another big day. Yeah, so tomorrow we've got another big day of finishing stuff. First job for this in the morning will be probably straight onto these cat pipes, so we can have that done, cleaned up and all welded off nicely and finished. So yeah, that can be done, and then yeah, back onto just finishing and putting everything else back together. So yes, that's all good. Very happy with how it's turning out, but man, it's got a lot of work to go. That's okay, we'll get there. Oh, radiator arrived today as well. That's a good thing, thank you Graham for that. Yeah, man. Alrighty, so it's the 18th of February today. So Monday 19th tomorrow. We are just arrived into Melbourne. Just staying down the road from Mitch down at MACKIELEC's. So tomorrow morning we will deliver the Corvette to Mitch. Yeah, everything going well. The car's here. It's made it to Melbourne in one piece. It's still clean. Didn't fall off the trailer. Didn't die on the roads over here because I bedlam tonight. Yeah. So anyway, we're here. Mitch is tomorrow. He will wave his wand on it, and then we'll pick it back up and hopefully go from there. But here you go. Check this out. So yeah, the guys have been doing a crazy job. We've been busting nuts on this to get it all done. So it is pretty well there. Still got the front belt to run, throttle body to air pipe or to air cleaner duct to go, but we still need to work in the front here, which is why we haven't put that on. But it's done. Lots of the air con's on. That just needs obviously aircon lines and stuff run yet, but it doesn't matter, it's all good for setup, it's all here, it's all ready. So everything that Mitch needs, it's ready to rock and roll. Everything is set up, everything is in, it's in place, it's ready to go. We've had the front bonnet on, that all looks good, everything fitted underneath it, so everything is cracking. Yeah, so it's good, it's excellent in fact. It looks pretty under these lights, doesn't it? Anyway, so yeah, cool, thank you. We'll see you at Mitch's tomorrow. Monday morning, 9:30. We are at MACKIELEC's. We've just dropped the the Corvette up to him. There's some top secret projects going on up there, which is pretty damn cool. So we're not going to see a lot of what's going up there, but we'll still see if we can sneak some stuff. But anyway, so yeah, we're here, the car's here, it's now in the hands of Mitch. He is scratching his head a little bit. I think he's going, damn, I wish it was going to be easier. Sorry, Mitch. Anyway, he'll get it sorted because it's what he does and does right. So anyway, guys, I think, as I said, this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching yet another one. We've still got a couple more to go, obviously. Don't forget, new merch, check that out. That's a good one, these ones. On the website now too, Colour Splotch, check it out. So yeah, www.tuffmounts.com.au. Hit up our socials as well and follow along. Cheers, guys.